Hello Chafin Land and welcome back. We're going to talk about gross domestic product. Make sure that you have your guided notes, something to write with, and you're ready to go. Let's get started. So we have the same standards. We're going to be talking about GDP or gross domestic product today. Gross domestic product or GDP. Economic growth in a country is measured by the country's gross domestic product or GDP in 1 year. Now, again, the GDP equals the total dollar amount of goods and services produced in a country in 1 year. The GDP per capita is the dollar amount of the total amount of goods and services produced by a country in 1 year divided by the number of people in that country. So it's per person. Please, on your own time, take a look at these review videos. So this is similar to a table that we looked at before, but it's not exactly the same. Which country has the strongest economy and why, and which one has the weakest and why? So our countries this time are Germany, Italy, Russia, Ukraine, and United Kingdom. These are all countries in Europe. The GDP per capita or per person, Germany has 45,900, Italy has 35,500, Russia has 24,800, Ukraine has 8,700, and United Kingdom has 39,500. Now the growth rate, so this is the amount per person, and it is growing at a rate of 1.6% per year. This is Italy's per capita, and it is not growing. You see it's negative, so it is going down 0.4%. Russia, here's their GDP per capita, and it is increasing, but not by a lot, by 0.06%. Ukraine, they have a low GDP per capita anyway, and they have a negative growth rate. They are dropping by 6.8%. And United Kingdom, here's their GDP per capita, and they are increasing at a rate of 2.6% per year. So which country has the strongest economy and why? And which one has the weakest economy and why? So I want you to go to this link at some point. It's called the Index of Economic Freedom, and you can compare all kinds of countries. When you go there, there will be a map, and we will talk about this in class as well. And that's GDP. It's pretty simple. So review the video if you need to, and always ask questions that will help you to understand. And never, never forget, you are seen, you are known, you are cared for, and you are loved.